guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie. For my new subscribers, my name is Debbie. Hey girl, hey. Sorry I haven't shown my face for a while. It's been a week and I've been really sick. I've been under the weather like crazy, and I figured this is gonna be my last video of the year, so why not show my face as decent as it can be. This is it. And just come and be on camera and say thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to my new subscribers, to my old subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So on my last video I showed you how I made my rice water, and I told you I was going to show you how I use that rice water to make a deep conditioning treatment. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use my rice water to make a hair growth deep conditioning treatment, because as you guys know, you may know, I am on a hair growth journey and I'm doing everything and anything it takes to grow my hair. So every DIY, every tricks, every tips, every hacks out there to grow hair, I am gonna try everything out. Because girl, for 2019 we want a big ass fro and we're gonna do anything and everything to get there. So let me not take much of your time. Let me just jump right into the video and I'll talk to you later. Bye. This is the rice water I made the other day, so this is just some of it, it's not all of it, and I'm gonna be using this to make my rice water deep conditioning treatment today. So let's start with my aloe vera leaf. What you want to do is let's put that aside. What you want to do is cut this. So this first part we do not need. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my avocado. I'm gonna be using one full avocado, so all of it. I'm gonna be using all of it. Just cut that around it, and look at that. That is beautiful. So next I'm going to add my rice water. This is the start of this recipe, and I'm just going to ahead and add a little bit of rice water in there. Not everything, just a little bit. I don't want it to be too runny. I'm going to go ahead and blend my mixture. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some of my favorite oil. This is a DIY avocado and carrot oil. I use this all the time. I love this stuff. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of that. This is my castor oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that as well. This is my almond oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that as well. And I'm going to just mix that together.